Let's see where we're at. It is a lot of crap. But I think it's about ready to come out. I'm going to do the harness, fuel line, mounts, bell housing, and we'll pull this thing out. It's utterly messy. Glad I decided to go ahead and pull it because there's a lot of things that are very questionable on this motor. For one, that right there just boggles my mind how they routed the water. And it's just doesn't make any sense. So we're going to reroute everything, make it look all nice and pretty when we put it back together. Alright, till next time, adios.